dear YouTubers, welcome again to my channel. Today hunting for the best legit tagine and authentic Moroccan meal in Rabat, Morocco. Upon reaching Rabat, we dropped off our luggages in our hotel, and first in our list is to search for the most delicious tagines and Mid-Eastern food. Luckily, we found this gem Dar Naji Moroccan restaurant, which only a mile away from our rented hotel. Dar Naji is a beloved Moroccan restaurant in Rabat, renowned for its authentic cuisine and inviting ambiance. Both locals and tourists are drawn to its traditional dishes, especially the flavorful tagines. Why Dar Naji's tagines are a favorite one? Authentic flavors, Dar Naji offers a variety of tagines such as beef with prunes, chicken with lemon, and beef with artichokes. These dishes are slow cooked to perfection, allowing the spices to meld beautifully and create rich, comforting flavors. 2. Traditional presentation. Meals are served in traditional clay pots, enhancing the dining experience. The restaurant also features a unique tea service where servers pour mint tea from a height, adding a touch of flair to the meal. Inviting ambiance. The decor reflects Moroccan heritage with intricate tilework, arches, and lanterns. Live Moroccan music and rooftop dining options provide a vibrant and immersive atmosphere. Warm hospitality, guests consistently praise the attentive and friendly staff who are eager to guide diners through the menu and ensure a memorable experience.
Pangasinan ba si Jack? Ilocano. Hindi ko alam mag-Ilocano. Pangasinan siya. Doon siya mismo pumipita sa yung nasa harapan niya na green mint.
Yan ang rosilla sa'yo.
Ang lasa.
Para? Parang si Chinese dan.
Parang yung si ano ha. Yung nagpa-vlogger.
Tingnan ko mga paglalit na.
Hintay mo mo itong lang. Mabilis lang ito yun. Hindi na pa-prepare na.
At hindi mo makapalitan na. Ang kagawin yung preparation. Tapos yung doon pa.
Sarap na lang.
Ano ito, babe?
Baka dito.
The traditional Moroccan mint tea is called atay or atay banana, meaning tea with mint. Key features the base green tea, usually Chinese, gunpowder tea. Additions, fresh spearmint leaves and a generous amount of sugar. Preparation, the tea is steeped, then poured repeatedly from a height to aerate it and create a light foam, which enhances both flavor and presentation. Cultural role, it's a symbol of hospitality and often served to guests multiple times a day. With multiple locations across Rabat, including near the Bab El Had Gate and in the Agdal district, Dar Naji is easily accessible for those seeking an authentic Moroccan meal. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, Dar Naji offers a genuine taste of Moroccan cuisine that delights the senses and leaves a lasting impression. Thanks again for watching. This is Ada Jaladan Travel and Life Vlog signing off. See you again on my next journey.